done, after we key it for 60 seconds, I'm gonna do, when I do the little exam, I am not squeeze anything out yet, but when I start feeling and checking on the edges and I feel right here scratchy, all I need to do is that much. That's much, because you don't want to flood your crystal. You want it to seal in all the gap and the edges, but you don't want it to flood it completely. Squeeze it in. Right here scratchy, squeeze just a little bit. Same thing with this. And here you go, we get the cutie flowers. You can add so many. You can add this different color. It doesn't have to be, or you can add beads on. Don't have to do, but this is cool. It looks like glove crystal. It looks like little mist in the morning or whatever it is. Thanks so much, everyone. All right, so clear this one really quick. But before that, here is a look for TikTok right there.